Hello guys, and welcome to another meshing tutorial. In this video I'm going to share with you about a tool that I've never mentioned before in my channel, and that tool is here, the morphing tool. It's a very strong tool and I'm going to demonstrate with you how to use it in this video. So first of all, I need to make a box of solid elements, and that box will have this car elements inside it. So now I already know the dimensions of the car. I can simply put the size of the box. So with these dimensions, you can see this is my box. I reject, and then here I just put 2, and I make again, and then accept. Okay, now the box have the car inside, so I cannot see anything. So I click on this wire element and then the right view. Okay, now what I can do, I go to element tools, then I go to the morphing tool, click on solid constraint, then select constraining elements, select by parts, and then I select on the box that I've made just now. Then select nodes to be morphed. Here I want to select the car, so I select whole everything. Then by parts, remove. I want to remove the box. Then I want to remove the wheels too, because the wheel will always be circular. Then I rotate. I make the same thing the other side. I just remove these circular parts. I think that's it. There is something inside the brakes. Yeah, I do not need to morph the brakes here as well. Now after I double check all the nodes or the elements, I can click on constraint. Okay, now next I go to translate. Now whenever I translate or I change the box, the elements inside will be changed. So here I show you, I will move the upper nodes of the box, click on add, then here I select the upper nodes. I have 9 nodes, and in Z 100, and I move down. So you can see now the car also is being squished down. Okay, this is too much, just like this is enough. Now I select the lower nodes of the box. Here is 3, here is 3, here is also 3. Now I move this one down. Okay, then accept. Then show view the normal view. Now I hide this one. Now you can see my car become more, say, sportish. As you can notice here, these guys, I do not need to morph them, but I did not remove them when I selected the morphing tools. If you remember, I only removed the tires and the wheels, but I actually need to remove these guys as well. As you can see, they are popping down here, which is not very accurate. So now I've done with the morphing tool. I can just click on unconstrained, and then here you go. So that's how you transform your hatchback car to a more sportish car. Of course, I showed only how to use in the Z direction. You can also use in the X direction if you want to make it longer or shorter. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.